How to fix the language pack is not downloading properly in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is to try and restart your system by clicking on the restart button here and check if that solves the issue of the language packs stuck or taking too long to download. And the second solution is to make sure to install any pending updates. Go to your settings main window, go to update and security, and then Windows Update. And here make sure that you install the latest available updates. And then you can click on check for updates and make sure to download and install any ones that are pending. And once you finish downloading and installing everything, you want to go back to the time and language, and then click on language. And now you want to click on the add a language button, and then simply just search for the language again that you're trying to add, and click on it, and then click next, and wait for it. And then check whether you want to install the language pack only or set it as the Windows display language. And now when you click on install, it should basically try to reinstall the language. And this should fix the issue where it's stuck or taking too long. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.